Hey there everyone, welcome to Technoholic. In this video, we will talk about how we can convert a video to text, and that too for absolutely free. And for that, I'm going to show you two methods, and we're going to use Microsoft Office. So the first method is I am assuming that you already have a Microsoft Word installed in your system. If not, then wait for the second method. So let's start with our first method when you have Microsoft Word installed in your system. Let me click here on menu button and now I'm gonna type Word. Now let's click here on blank document. Now what we need to do here is we need to go to Home tab, and on the right hand side we need to look for Dictate. Let's click on this bottom arrow, and then here you will find this option called Transcribe. Just click on it. Now you need to click on Upload Audio. It may look like that you are uploading audio, but that's not the case. You can also upload video as well. As you can see here, it also supports MP4. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to select one such video, and then I'm going to click on open. And now here you can see this video is going to be uploaded in OneDrive. After clicking on upload, here you can see the process of conversion has begun. And after some time, here we can see we were successfully able to convert that MP4 video to text. All we need to do is we need to click on add to document, and then here we have option either to just add text with speaker, with timestamp, and with speaker and timestamp both. So I'm gonna say it is totally up to you how you would like to keep this content. Let's go with the most complicated one, which is with speaker and timestamp. And there we go. Since there was only one speaker, so we can see that it is only saying speaker 1. If this MP4 video would have more than one speaker, then in that case you will see speaker 1, speaker 2, and so on. Now let's talk about the scenario when you do not have Microsoft Word. In that case, what we can do is we can open internet browser, and again we can type office.com. Once we do that, we can click here on the left side on menu and then open Microsoft Word. If you do not have created account of Microsoft Office, then I would suggest you can create a free account here by visiting office.com. You may see the detailed video that I'm going to attach in the description of this video. Now let me click here on blank document, and this will open Word Online. Now again we need to click on Home, and then here in Dictate, Transcribe. In a similar way, again we can attach the same video, and this will again start the same process. And Office Online, for your information, comes with free version, so you do not need to pay or buy any license. So that's how guys you can convert any video to text for free utilizing Microsoft Word. The only con I saw here is your video as of now needs to be less than 300 megabytes, which I would say is a decent size. That's all guys from my side in this video. I hope that you find this video helpful and informational. Subscribe to Technoholic for more such productivity topics, and I will catch you soon with one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye bye.